CTU student and taking course of Bachelor of Hospitality Management and second year this year, and I am let's talk about values of a CTU student. So first is the mission of the CTU is we can take the privilege of a university to take it to make an advantage of being a good student, and also kanang makagain ka sa usa ka teacher or prof nimo nga o kanang moral and a good good and excellent quality of teaching or educating. So in that case, also the vision of the CTU is kanang to maintain their kanang popularity when it comes to kanang teaching. So let's focus on teaching. Teaching is kanang is a big impact to them. So in that also, as a city student kanang I will make sure that my outputs or kanang my work is kanang appropriate to the standard or kanang the quality of kanang education or based on their curriculum. So in that also I will say nga I will giving my best to make them satisfied in that particular year when I'm studying in that university. So arita sa vision. Ang vision is let's talk about environmental, community responsive, and also giving back some knowledge to the university, and also giving back also to the student. So in that particular situation exchanging of knowledge kumbaga. So ang vision nako in the future I'm giving the opportunity to maka-instruct sa ubang students as my experience to the years nga nag-spill ako sa CTU. So mana kong vision. So and also ang vision sa nako it's all about vision nako is all about succeeding sa akong course and dili mag-shift, and have a good relationship to teachers, prof, and co-students. So when it comes to goals, so ang goals is ang goals nako sa when I understand the goal of the university. The goal of the university is dili siya focus sa achievement sa usa ka university. Its focus also sa quality of education nga they give to the students, different courses, even of different courses. So ang goal for me, ang goal nako is giving my name to the university, a good influence, and maingon nga siya siya is kanang EBM student from CTU and graduated, and also have kanang nindot ang ilang learning system. So in that case, maingon nga ang goal nako is kanang na-achieve na nako. So mo na akong goal. So arita sa when it comes to objectives. So my main objectives is kanang makagraduate sa University of CTU. So second is kanang have memories or experience in 4 years of kanang studying in the university. Second is kanang kanang friends, and kanang also kanang teachers kanang prof nga kaila ko nila makagain ko kanang teaching techniques, strategies, and also kanang improve ang akong personality. And also the last one is the fourth one is the kanang skills of kanang different kinds sa kanang HM course. So for kanang first is the kanang pastry, bread, and kanang housekeeping, like bartending, like ano ba. So mao na kong main objective sa so kanang in that particular kanang clarification for the kanang CTU PIES. So that's it, and thank you for kanang listening, and kanang have a good day. Thank you. Aja laban CTU student HM